NYDFS 500.11 in focus. Vendor breach highlights compliance gaps. Good day. This is your cyber brief with CybLynx. I'm Vivian Berry, bringing you a top story from the CybLynx newsroom. HealthEC, a US-based healthcare data analytics vendor, has disclosed a significant data breach after unauthorized access to one of its third-party file transfer systems. The incident was discovered in May 2025 and has impacted hundreds of thousands of individuals. The exposed information includes names, dates of birth, medical record numbers, and treatment details. According to reports from the High-Pay Journal, June 2025, attackers exploited a vulnerability in a MoveIt file transfer server used by a downstream service provider. This breach highlights a growing cybersecurity concern: supply chain attacks targeting third-party services that support critical infrastructure. Key takeaways for us: third-party risk management must be a priority. Organizations should evaluate all vendor security postures, especially those handling PHI or customer data. Make sure your contracts with vendors enforce clear incident reporting timelines, security obligations, and audit rights. Under NYDFS 500.11, covered entities are required to perform due diligence and maintain written policies for third-party service providers. Non-compliance is no longer tolerated during audits. CybLynx best practices. Perform quarterly reviews of critical vendors with access to regulated or sensitive data. Include vendor breach scenarios in your incident response tabletop exercises. Leverage continuous monitoring solutions for real-time supply chain risk alerts. Your cybersecurity is only as strong as your most vulnerable vendor. Don't wait for a breach to reveal the gaps. Source: HealthEC Data Breach, HIPAA Journal, June 2025. This has been your cyber brief powered by CybLynx. I'm Vivian Berry. See you in the next update.